Hey guys, welcome back. I am eating halal food today and I'm excited about this because I've never eaten it on my channel, but I eat this shit like twice a week. Oh my god. I'm sick. Oh my god. I'm the only person that gets sick during the summertime. Well, no, my kid was sick first. Alright, I'm gonna show you this plate. When I tell you this is the best halal food, hands down, that the Lord has ever like blessed us with. Oh my god. Look at the fun. I have a mega amount of hot sauce and white sauce on it. Man, oh man. Oh my god. Yo. So I have like this theory that, and it might sound a little Trumpy, because I feel like he would say some stupid shit like this, but I have this theory that hot sauce can like kill any diseases in your body, or like sickness. Maybe not diseases, but like a cold. See? My sinuses are already clearing. We got soda, a little Pepsi. I drink that like more towards the end because I don't want to fill myself up with soda and then not enjoy the food. So this shit is mad good. And the guy that makes it, he's actually from Bangladesh. He's not like Middle Eastern. I'm supposed to go live tonight, which I plan on doing. I have 2 topics in mind, but I'm not quite sure which one I'm gonna do. I'm either thinking about talking about daddy issues or clingy friends. Because I've had both. Keyword had. Oh my god. I might not do much talking during this video because this shit is fucking spicy as hell. And I'm like spice queen. Like if I were a Spice Girl, my name would just be Spice. Ooh. Oh my god. I feel like we seasoned the chicken a little bit differently this time, but it's okay. Just a pat. So my kid, on Friday, he woke up, he's in camp, right? They call it camp, but it's basically just like summer school. So, not summer school, but like after daycare, he's at like a summer program. So, he wakes up on Friday, and he's like, my stomach hurts. I'm like, yeah, sure, Bob. But then like 10 minutes later, he took a massive shit. And I was like, oh, perfect. Like, you know, you're good. And he was like, no, it still hurts. I don't want to go. Now, he's not the type of kid to like pull shit like that. And even if he has tried that in the past, I don't let him stay home. I'm like, you're going to school. Like, if you're not sick, whatever, you go to bed. You go to bed. You go to school. That's see, I'm a mom. You go to bed. So, whatever. I was like, fine, you can stay home. Like, it's Friday. You never miss a day of school ever, let alone camp. So, like, it's fine. You can stay home. Well, lo and behold, Friday afternoon, he starts coughing. And I'm like, oh shit, he really is sick. Well, the whole weekend he was fucked up. I kept him home Monday and Tuesday. And he went today because he feels way better. But now, mommy's sick. Oh my god. One time I went to get halal food, right? And I told the guy, I was like, just give me a little bit of chicken. Well, he gave me the chicken and forgot the rice. It was like a halal salad. I still tore that shit up. Oh my god. It was so hot I can't even like speak in full sentences. Watch my sickness be gone by tonight because I ate this. You know what I want to know from you guys? This is a question I would love an answer to. Not an answer, but like to know your experience. Oh my god. Have you guys ever moved out of the state that you live in? Or left the hometown that you grew up in? And if so, how'd you manage? Were you scared? Were you excited? How did it turn out? Did you end up going back home? I like the little pieces of chicken that look like that. So this kind of food, you have to pay twice for it. $120 buy it. And later on the bowl. Okay, though. Go right through ya. I know I'm not the only one that like has these fears of leaving. Not fears, but hesitations. Now, I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, but it's like in life, you know that if you want certain things, they're just not going to happen where you are at the moment. Like, in order for them to come into fruition, it would have to be somewhere else. And then it begs the question, like, am I ready to receive that? That's how you know you're an adult. When you ask yourself that question. I want this right now, but am I ready to receive it? Holy Association of Adulthood. I just earned my fucking badge. Whew. But I'm about to die before I get it because this shit is fucking hot as fuck. Piece of pepper. Honestly, I can't right now. It's so hot. But obviously I can because I'm still fucking eating it. See, that's where I fuck up in life. I'm like, I can't. But then I do the thing that I think I can't do. What the fuck? Oh my god. I mean, that's full. Okay, I'm done. Oh, you know what I was watching today? I was watching And Just Like That. And guess what? This fucking show is like, I'm giving 1 thumb out of 2 thumbs down. It's like 50-50. Maybe not. Maybe like 60-40. 60% of it being bad. It's just, so if you don't know, And Just Like That is the subsequent series to Sex and the City. The characters are so different. Like Miranda, Carrie is pretty much the same. But that's because Sarah Jessica Parker pretty much plays the same role in everything she does. Like, if you ever watched that show Divorce, it was Carrie Bradshaw. Like, you didn't try to like differentiate those two fucking characters. It was Carrie Bradshaw. But anyways, it's like too extreme. You can tell that like a lot of the writers are super young. Some of the stuff is funny. Like, some of the writing is funny, but there's a lot of like cringy scenes. And I'm not a baby. Like, I could watch sex scenes, whatever. But like Miranda in the background. First of all, they didn't even have her putting on a regular strap on. This was some like BDSM fucking strap on. And she's all, for like 4 minutes straight, she's like, trying to figure out what to do with the strap. Like, enough. And then she goes and has a fucking threesome with Che and Che's husband, or ex-husband, and like she's like seemingly okay with it. I'm like, oh, he's too drunk to go home. Okay, no, yeah, you can sleep on your bed. Oh, we're all gonna sleep in the same bed. Okay, yeah, no problem. Sure, whatever. And to be honest, like, I know a lot of people hate Che. Che's been the most real as fuck fucking character of them all. Like, when she told I was gonna call her Karen, when she told Miranda to basically kick rocks and go home because she just wanted to be alone, I was like, what's the problem with that? She just wants to be alone. I'd be like, yo, this bitch got a whole fucking house in Brooklyn with her man, and she's renting a bed in a fucking, in her friend's house, yet she's always in my place. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with wanting your space? And everybody's like, she's a narcissist. Yeah. Then I guess I'm a fucking narcissist too, because I get her. I can't anymore. I can't eat anymore. So much. Actually, I almost ate the whole fucking thing. That was so good. My mouth is on fire. I'm gonna lay down and rest. I just took an allergy pill, but I think this food just canceled out that allergy pill. So let's see how that goes.